Today, I'm going to tell you the story of Wake Up Little Girl. Before I tell the story, I will read you a memory verse with my brother. 3 John 2. I pray that you may enjoy good health. Now, I'm going to tell the story of Wake Up Little Girl. So there was a man named Jarius, and he had a beautiful daughter. And one time the daughter got sick, so her mom got some bed and put her in the bed and a blanket. And she also tried to get a towel and put it in cold water and put it on her head, and she also tried to get her to the doctor, and the doctor did her heart also, but she didn't feel good, and she also gave her some medicine, and she drank the medicine. And she also gave her some food, and she ate the food, but she didn't got any well. So Jarius knowed somebody that could heal her daughter. It was Jesus. So he went out and marched and marched. It was very, very hard to find Jesus. But he marched and marched, but he found him. And there's a big crowd around Jesus. And then he squished it away and squished up, and then he was by Jesus, and he asked Jesus to come to his house. He said, Jesus, please come to my house. If you come to my house, my daughter will be healed, my only daughter. We tried to give her medicine, take her to the doctor, and give her a nice comfy sleeping. We tried to give her medicine. We tried to take her to the doctor. We tried to put a towel on her head with cold water, and we tried to have a comfy bed for her, but it did not. She did not even heal. So Jesus said, "All right, I'll come." As they walked, then a servant from his house came running, and he said, Jarius, your daughter already died, and you don't need Jesus anymore. She already died. But Jesus said, she is just sleeping. And so they keep marching, and they marched until they got to his house, back to his house. And then they got to the room, and Jesus said, people, just stay out here, except Jarius and his wife. And so they went in there and just hold on to the little girl's hand. And suddenly, an amazing thing happened. Jarius' daughter was alive. Can you imagine that? What if you were there? And then, was that really amazing? If you have your eye, or your hand, or your legs, or your stomach, or your neck, or anything, or your hair, or your head, Jesus can heal you if you pray and ask Jesus. In those times, Jesus was still on land, so we could just go walk and tell him. But he's not here anymore, so we need to pray. If you have a troubled time and you can't do anything and you're sick, just pray. God can help you with anything. You need trouble, or you're sick, or you're dead, like the little girl was. And he can help you with anything. So, if you have anything, or if you want to play outside and it's rainy and you can't do it, you can pray. That's all you need to do. Pray, pray, pray. And God will answer your prayers. Thank you, boys and girls. That's all for now. Bye. Donuts ấy bảo gen tận ngay mà tang chung gen mà Laisiangtho Laisiangtho memory verse gen ngay na chiram na di thu công nghệ saki gió hàng thum aneo ni tui na tang chung gen tận ngay ha về la mi ha Jarius chi ha hi an sanu amel wait ma nei hi ahan kha ve ama chi na ina anu nya wan za nuo ma lu na nuo ma pen lum sakina the hejang wan ko to alua hi sakina the jang the tui hong piana mo hong piana ama doctor ta ka hong paina a doctor ta na hong hi so a hang bang wa hi thelo alung tang hong and ina bang ma hi thelo ina the jang Jarius oh mi hat ka theve mi hat back hi ka tanu ông đâm sắc điện có thêm mà về để cho mà bay này in mai bay nè và dùng nè Topa Zeisu nè Jarius dùng Topa Zeisu kéo bay nè bay nè hâm sao mà mình xăm mua cho để cho Jarius kia Zeisu kia ông cha Zeisu kéo Topa cái tanu đâm sắc kiện cô ya hoi ma noa ma lukhamina bonza hong hi saken noa ma te hi sakena te chang ya bon hong ko sakena alu hong koi te chang doctor te kyang pai sak te chang mo hong pia te chang zatui hong pia na bang ma hi te lo bang zong dam lo te chang Yes, tôi cái ina no na ina ông bay ni ngay chỉ nó bay là mi te song mi some pp song just Jarius ina bay na tung chang tung này luôn nè tung chắc chang hàng miếng sai nè mi hat ông sai nè Jarius na tanu si hintai hi jin Zeisu ki samlo hi jin Jarius sung da wan bang chi ding chi da Zeisu pamo lo Jarius na tanu pen I mu hi jiao hi jin Jarius ina sung chang Topa Zeisu in mi said da adang se hwang pai kêu in sunga to chang Jarius le azibak upai sako chi Jarius le azibak paina Zeisu zong paina to chang Topa Zeisu in nume no alkut lenina nume no toto in china nume no toto hi alam nanya cái lam nam sang no lam dam saya cái lam dam sama ma na lên nó lam tang saya lam dam ma se imit ina ikam ike ikut igel ana campbell forcing ana campbell dam pasyan Topa Zeisu nanget le aman ông đâm sắc thế na lu kham chang na chi nang chang na hi ding dung the lo chang Topa kyang ngien o to le aman ông dong thế na nang chi đâm thế lung đâm thế ta chang na hi ding thế to te pasyan ngien ding hi jiao ตุดคักสโลตัวปนนาแคมเปลหิเทฮีตัวปนไม่สีเทโทสักเทฮีตัวนี้ตัวจะจีบคนนี้เลย God bless you all thank you bye bye